Welcome to J&J's test video of 9560. This is that 99 4Runner, 224,000 miles. Has some bad brakes. Was sitting since 2023, it looks like. Not too rusty. Not really rusty at all. Came out of Virginia. Just dirty. I hope something happens good. Start it up. Let's listen to it. Can't drive it because it has no brakes, but the transmission goes in and out of gear. 245, 689. Fires up, runs all right. Manual heater control. Check the back window. Back window works. I think all these windows work. Brake light on, ABS light on. Had the timing belt done about 100,000 or 28,000, 100 and some thousand miles ago. Yeah. Had one timing belt done. Quiet. All right, that'll do it. 9560 99 4Runner. As always, thank you for watching, and have your pets spayed and neutered.